There was uproar in the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly yet again on Tuesday as the Congress and National Conference MLAs raised slogans over the issues of beef ban, Article 35A and rehabilitation of flood victims. The opposition MLAs alleged that the ruling PDP government has failed to provide relief to the families affected by the devastating floods. Marshals were also called in to drag out the leaders creating ruckus.
We are bringing forth issues of importance to the people, and we expect the government to handle it seriously. This government is non-serious. If this government was serious, the Chief Minister would have stood up and intervened. He would have told the Speaker, it's fine, give them 10 minutes, let's hear them out. After that, normal business can resume. The Chief Minister sat mute because he also realizes these are issues on which he doesn't have an answer. As I said, he is hiding behind the Speaker is hiding behind the Supreme Court, and this House is being disempowered.
What is your stand on beef issue? The party's stand and your own stand?
Our stand is very clear. We have brought a private member's bill. We now expect the Speaker to decide on this private member's bill. Please remember, the Speaker, again abdicating his responsibility, said that he will decide on the private member's bill once the Supreme Court has decided. Supreme Court decided yesterday. Now we want to hear from the Speaker what is his view. I hope the Speaker can realize that he is now Speaker and not a member of a particular political party or what they call social organization. He is neither a BJP member nor an RSS member. He neither belongs to Jammu nor to Kashmir. He belongs to this House. He is the Speaker. He has to function as a Speaker, not as a partisan individual. And so far, all we are getting from him is partisanship. Article 35A is being challenged in the Supreme Court. Article 35A is a provision of law which gives special status to Jammu and Kashmir. Particularly, it safeguards our state subject laws. There are a whole lot of other aspects to it, but primarily 35A takes on from Article 370 and it gives Jammu and Kashmir its special status. If you take away Article 35A, you take away Jammu and Kashmir's special status, which means you remove the very basis on which Jammu and Kashmir acceded to India. Please understand, accession took place on the basis of certain fundamental agreements. Those fundamental agreements are enshrined in 370. 370 leads to 35A. If you remove 35A, you are removing the special status of Jammu and Kashmir. Now, I am not questioning the government on their position on 35A. That we will let them defend in the Supreme Court. All I wanted to know is, have they engaged a suitable constitutional expert to defend our position in the Supreme Court? That's all I was asking. If I'm not even allowed to ask the government who their lawyer is and whether they're adequately defending, that means they have something to hide.
The State Assembly was adjourned yesterday following ruckus by the opposition legislators on the same issues. Speaker Kavinder Gupta adjourned the House twice yesterday as the opposition members did not relent. Correspondent Parvez from Srinagar for ANI.